It is, watch. Ready?
Where's the UFO?
Okay, let's get some context.
I don't see a UFO.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Look at that.
Oh. Wait,
Isn't it
zoom in, zoom in.
strange?
Go like all the way.
No, shoot it. If I had a telescope.
That's a UFO?
Yeah, it's a UFO.
It's like an actual UFO? An
Let's
alien
see. Holy
UFO?
cow. It's going up and down.
It isn't moving.
Yeah, it's not moving. Maybe it's a satellite. The satellites don't do that.
What is it?
Holy cow.
Oh, it just... What?
That's a UFO. Holy
Oh! Yo! Are there aliens in it?
There's definitely aliens in it. Holy cow. Oh no. Maybe it's a drone. I don't know if drones do that.
Drones... But that drone's all the way in space.
Holy cow.
Oh!
Look at that.
Flying a drone.
Well,
Also, it's literally in the sky.
yeah, let's see what happens. Let's see if it goes back on.
It's a literal drone.
You think it's gonna go on?
It's
Should we
not a
count to
drone,
10?
It's a spaceship.
Does your mama come from space? Uh-oh. Is that it? No.
Who's driving a drone? There's no explanation. Oh,
Where is
there.
it? Where's it? Where's it?
It's there, it's there. Oh, it just turned off and it just went back on and then it just turned off.
Awesome.
Did you see it?
Yeah, yeah.
What?
Now you can go to your daddy and say,
It's not a drone. It's an actual UFO.
yep. Well, maybe it could be a drone.
Wait.
Let's see what happens. That's the problem.
Zoom into
The
a
video.
window, and then you can see what's inside.
Oh no.
Yeah.
All right.